Hello everyone! Today I'm going to try out some popular Korean skincare hacks and see if they actually work. So let's get started. I'm going to start off with using the double cleansing method. It involves using an oil-based or balm cleanser to take off all of the makeup, followed by a gel or water-based cleanser that helps to remove all of the impurities on your skin. So let's try it. Once we're done with cleansing, we're going to follow up with a sheet mask, which is said to be a Korean skincare staple. It's supposed to provide intense hydration and nourishment. Once I'm done with the sheet mask, I'm going to follow it up with a Jade Roller, which is a rose quartz roller, and it helps to penetrate the products that I've just put in with the sheet mask deeper into the skin. Additionally, this step also helps to improve blood circulation, reduce puffiness, and give you a contour. Now I'm going to use a lip scrub that will help buff away the dead skin and the dryness, leaving my skin soft and smooth. And lastly, I'm going to use some eye cream under my eyes, which is one of the most important steps. Don't forget this step because it's the first place where you see signs of aging on your face. This process will help you get rid of the puffiness, dark circles, and prevent fine lines. So that's how my skin looks post trying these Korean skincare hacks. And I must say, I'm very impressed because my skin already feels smoother, hydrated, even my lips feel softer. You must give these hacks a try. While I go hit the bed, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video.